Transmitters are going to be the mics themselves. The receiver is going to be the little booster, and that's what records the audio, and that's what you would plug into the phone.
Okay.
If you see in the back there's USB-C and a Lightning. The USB-C attaches on the bottom there. You see that little slot? And then would attach to the side of the phone.
Okay.
So then that whole thing would plug into the phone.
Okay.
Then your microphones would work with your video.
Yes, that's what I need.
Yes. You want to try to get that today?
Yes, please.
All right.
I appreciate that, Drew.
Yeah,
Thank
so much.
you. Thank you.
Let me go grab a piece real quick. I'll be right
Okay.
back.
Thank you so much. Tony, it's in the hundreds.
It's what?
It's in the hundreds.
Did you think it was going to be cheap?
Okay. Say.
So the microphones themselves
Uh-huh.
are actually smaller than the original ones that came out with. But it also came out with kind of like the cool updated design. So it's actually got a black translucent case on the front, so you can see some of the microchips and everything.
Okay.
So it kind of looks cool.
Okay.
And then the actual receiver, or the receiver itself, is 30% smaller than the original receiver.
Yeah.
And it's got 14 gigabytes of internal memory already in it.
Ooh.
Plus, you can add a micro SD card if you want to. So if you're doing just audio, you have internal storage already. But when you plug it into the phone, that's going to be where everything is saved to, is with the phone.
Okay.
All right?
So I'm gonna need an SD card too.
Micro SD card?
Yep.
Awesome. We'll get you that.
Thank you.
Of course.
Tony, is that okay? Husband, is that okay? Okay.
All right. Micro SD card is right behind us here.
Okay.
The one that I would get is more than likely just a 128.
Okay.
We can do the Pro Max or
Uh-huh.
the Pro Ultimate
Yeah.
with the read and write speed of that, or we can do the Endurance.
Oh, and it comes in the box right here. So you have your carrying case to store everything.
This is going to be the receiver.
Okay.
This is the receiver itself. So you have your microphone volumes right here. So you can see both sides, both channels, the signal. That's actually what the microphone looks like itself.
Okay.
But the muffs attached there, those are magnets.
Okay.
So you can actually put it inside of a shirt.
Gotcha.
Put a magnet on it, and they don't have to see it.
Okay.
This is for a actual camera. It's a microphone. That booster right here would clip on the side or on the slide on the top of the camera port, and then you can plug straight into your camera if you have a digital camera and continue to use these microphones. So it is multifaceted.
Okay.
And then that's the case where everything goes and charges. That USB-C cord plugs into the back of the case. So just put the receiver and the two transmitters in the case, and everything will charge just by plugging it into the USB-C outlet.
Cool thing.
So you're all set there.
All right. There we go. All right. All right, guys. So this is the microphone. Got the warranty and everything. Got the SD card, 128 gigabytes. All right. So it comes with, get everything out of there. This looks like the charging unit. It has a tape on here that lets us know we're the first to open that. And this is if you have a digital camera, which we do have a digital camera. These look like, oh, this is the actual mic. I was gonna say these look like earbuds. Be very careful with this. After seeing this all on the internet, this is softer than what I anticipated. I'm going to put this back in here for now, only because it's not charged, but I will definitely do a demonstration. Oh, it comes with two. I will definitely do a demonstration video. This thing was $346. Then the SD card was $22.49. And the 3-year warranty was $69. Okay. So altogether that was like $400 and something. $478. So that's for those who are interested in purchasing them one. Now, I'm looking for the thing that I'm gonna charge it with. I think I'm just gonna plug this into my phone charger, right? So my phone charger is in the wall, and then when you flip it and you put it in the back, I'm putting it in the back, y'all. Yes, I'm doing it with one hand while I hold the camera. And so as soon as I put that in the back, then as you can see, the battery started to charge in the front, the little lights. So we're gonna see if, I guess all the lights will come on, probably all be green. We don't know. I don't know when it's fully charged. Let's see what's going on the inside. All right. So yeah, it's showing that it is charging. The green lights are flashing. Can y'all see that? It's kind of blurred. I'm trying to show y'all the lettering. Whatever. All right, so that's the first portion of the video. We have it charged. It's been a couple days since I've messed with it, but it's charged at 100%. So we're going to take this out. I'm going to get a paper towel to set that on. I just want to be very, very careful and cautious. All right, so we set that there. Take this out. Take this out. Take this out. Now this one is going to go here, I believe. Hold on. No? That don't go there. Okay, well, let me put that back where I got it from. I saw a video on it. So I'm going to go ahead and change the date. Language, English. No. It's easy to, okay, so that's how you lock the screen. And then you push that button on the side, it's unlocked. So now that says English. That says that. 2025, the 2nd, February. It says the year, the month, and then the day. Looks like it's already 0432. I don't know what that. All right, so now showing the battery on each one. I'm gonna put this one back because I just want to use the battery for myself while I shampoo my couch and do a video on that. I haven't looked at how to put this USD card or whatever this is, so I'm not gonna mess with that. I don't think I need that right now. Now let me get out the fuzzy things and do a demonstration. Just going to get out one fuzzy thing. Okay, so I got the fuzzy thing. The fuzzy thing is going to go... Nope, not there. Is it right there? I guess. It just don't seem right. Yeah, because it's not secure. Hello? 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 It's already on, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to figure out how to... It's on because this thing is picking up everything that I'm saying. And it's... Hello? You see that? The green's going all the way over there. When I stop talking, nothing happens. So it's working. I'm going to hit... I have to figure out how to connect it to my phone, though. Because it's not connected to my phone. Let me see if I can do that the same way I do my earbuds. Okay, so we're going to get this back out because got to do this with two hands. Hold on. Okay, it's open. We're going to take out a random one. And I'm trying to show you guys how to link. So that little fluffy thing, this is a windscreen. These things here. And they do go in more secure in the first place that I was initially thinking. You just have to like snap it in. That's to block out wind for when you're doing something with wind, air blowing. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to hit this on the side. You want to make sure that your phone, because that's what this video is about, people who are trying to just record with their phone, you know, until you start getting that YouTube money and then you know, want to upgrade to a camera or whatever. I'm still learning my phone. So you want to hit this on the side, this top one, underneath the green flashing light, and that helps you to sync it to your phone. But obviously I can't do it to my phone. You just hold it and press it. I can't do it with my phone right now because I'm using my phone. So I'm about to hang up and I'm going to go ahead and connect it. But I just wanted to show y'all that these little things on the side. Yeah. When you hit that one on the bottom, it buzzes. One of these are noise cancellation. Excuse me. One of these, yes, that's my Bible. One of these are noise cancellation. I believe it is, I don't know. I do not know. I'm so confused now. But now I know where the USD card goes. All right, I'm going to try to figure this out off camera. This video is not a tutorial. I'm just showing y'all, keeping y'all abreast on my journey of growing on YouTube. I just want to say that when I'm trying to pair my phone with the microphone, it doesn't pop up DJI. A whole bunch of other letters pop up. A whole bunch of random stuff. Nothing says the TV, nothing says the tablet, nothing says the laptop. Nothing is specific. It's just a bunch of letters and numbers. So I'm just pushing all of them. I'm like, this might be it. Pair it with that. This might be it. Pair it with that. So now I'm going to find a video that says how to pair things with your phone. Oh, it has to be on. That wasn't very helpful because I don't know.
Yeah,
Go to
just
the.
testing it out before we help you.
Hold on, I think I just turned it off.
Speak into it.
Okay, so that wasn't very. You're still too close. You had to go in the kitchen area.
Where you going?
I'm standing right here so I can see how far she goes by the refrigerator. Because the reason why I felt like that, stand by the refrigerator so they can see me on the video. And turn the phone. Can you turn the phone sideways? That's how I record my videos. Turn the phone because, okay, well, so as I was saying, it only works if you work it. Okay, won't he do it? But it's about the distance and the noise cancellation. Okay. So what I was trying to say was that you take this piece here and this connects in the bottom of the phone. Okay? No. Hold on. Okay, so as I was saying, you take this piece here and you take this piece here and this slides out here, slides right out. And then so then you want to turn it to where, because there's grooves on the side. It's like, you know, where does the shape fit type thing. So you turn it, excuse me, and these little, whatever these are here, I just had a fish fillet sandwich from McDonald's. I'll never make that mistake again. Every once in a while, we all get a hunkering for something that we don't need and it's not good for us. Anyway, so it's really not this hard. It's never taken me this long. And then you just push that in there. It can't go any further, right? Now this is what connects to the base of the phone. Okay? Slides in right where you charge it at. So I'm going to take my phone off. I'm using my phone. And I'm going to push this in there. Excuse me. The devil don't want this information out. Okay, and so then we're going to take the other microphone. I have to complete this video. I have to. So we're going to take this and we're going to hit the side. We're going to hit it again. Hold it down until it buzzes, right? Then you want to hit the top one until it blinks. It's blinking. We're going to connect that to the shirt that I purchased when I was in Pampa, Texas, whatever. And so now, testing. Okay, this ain't gonna work until I hook it up to the phone. Once I hook it up to the phone, y'all won't be able to see it. Hitting that nozzle I'm hitting that button on the side. I don't know which way I want to turn this. Just hold it down. And so did I turn my Wi-Fi? Okay, there it goes. You have to hit that record button. And so now I'm going to, it's reverberating. I believe that's the word for it. So now I'm going to see if this is working. Where are my eyebrows? Okay, so it says it's audio recording. I'm going to take y'all downstairs so that y'all can see the new furniture set up and so that I can see if this mic is working before I finish this video. This is part of the sectional. This is how I decorated it. Tony said he doesn't like it like this, so he said this was not his original intention. So, let's see. So this is this. Now I'm going to leave this here and go upstairs. No. See if y'all can still hear me as I'm walking away. Come on, boy, let's go. I hear you. All right. Pretty far away, pretty far distance, all the way upstairs, actually. Coming back down, want to see if all this is being heard. All right, won't know it until we check it. Okay, so to conclude this video, this mic is actually working, as I've shown you guys. When it's recording, just want to make sure your Wi-Fi button is on. Because when it's recording, it's going to say recording through your USB mic. So it lets you know. You don't want to wait and go to a major event and then try to figure out how to operate this mic, because it may not be operating. Anyway, let me finish my unveiling of whatever I just purchased from Poshmark.